Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're looking tonight at Mstr. This is of course strategy stock. Now unfortunately we've seen a very bad day here for this stock. It's down by 6.5% at the time of filming. And this actually is quite a surprise to me. We were approaching a very strong level of support just yesterday. Now we've seen it break to the downside with a major gap at open, followed by just a day which just plunges us lower and lower and lower. You can see this trend following all the way through the day. So what's going on and what are we looking forward to next? Well, honestly, I'm a little bit bearish here for the short term, right? I'm just going to put that one straight out there, right? If you wanted to just get a sentiment, you've got it like 20 seconds into the video. But if you want a deep dive analysis, I'll be giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions in a very short period of time over the course of this video. If it sounds good, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'd like you to also remember, I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Now jumping straight in with Microstrategy stock. As I say, I'm not too pleased with what we are seeing. You know, we saw a very strong channel here with this stock from about 318 all the way up to about 323, 324. That has been holding since the early part of September, the late part of August. That channel has now broken, of course, to the downside, and this is where things get quite concerning for me, because when you have a look, you're looking back to historical levels, come back to the 3-month chart if we can, and you'll see that your next levels of support from here, well, yeah, you could be seeing these levels at 295, but to a degree they've already broken. You're then looking for levels such as 280, or potentially even lower than that, right, at 272. I think all of those are now possible to play out. You could see that bounce here with the stock, and again, to a small degree, you may be seeing that now, but I am very cautious with this one right now. To be honest, I would not be buying this stock right now. And by the way, guys, I'd like to also say one thing. My videos, because they are daily updates, are giving you my short-term analysis, my short-term opinions, right? At this moment, I don't see this stock as a very good buy. Just my opinion, right? You may see it, of course, bounce off of those 290 ranges, those 295 ranges. But again, we've broken below that channel. We've broken out of the channel that I was looking to see this one hold. I think you are now potentially looking for those support ranges, as I say, in the 280s and the 270s. And that really does worry me quite a bit. Now, in terms of levels to break back up to, well, you're looking for resistance levels, potentially. You could be seeing these at 315, 316, maybe a bit lower at 310 as well. All of these are historically true. You can see the same back here as well. So 310 to 315 could be a range of difficulty to watch out for. You're then looking for 321, then for a potential pushback onto 326. Now, honestly, guys, I'm not saying that this one doesn't have potential. I'm not saying that it may not make a very good comeback tomorrow or the next couple of days. Well, for me right now, I wouldn't be interested in buying this one, right? I understand if some people are more long-term, it could make sense, but for a short-term position, I personally do not think it makes sense. You may see that bounce tomorrow. Again, I've given you the levels that I'm looking for, to the upside, to the downside, but for me personally, it doesn't make sense right now. I'd love to hear what it translates to you guys as well. Let me know all of your thoughts down below. And again, this is not to say I don't think it's a good stock. I just think going forwards into tomorrow, I want to find a bit more consolidation. I want to actually find a bottom for this drop before I personally was comfortable. Just my opinion though. You may agree, you may disagree. I'd love to hear it in the comments. Thank you for your time, guys. Goodbye for now. If you guys are ready to get serious about trading for less than the price of a coffee every day, I've got to tell you about the new Patreon page that I have just launched. That's right, guys, I have a new Patreon. I'm going to be sharing everything on here, from my personal stocks that I am watching to pre-market updates, as well as a Discord group which I have started. It's going to allow you to access similar-minded, like-minded people who are also interested in sharing their knowledge about the markets. I'm going to be sharing a lot of stuff over here, guys. There's going to be a lot of exclusive content coming in the next couple of weeks, but do bear in mind, for most of the tiers, spots are limited. The Market Scout, where you'll gain access to the Discord, prices will change after 150 members. At the moment, guys, I'm limited for time, so the Trader's Edge course and above, we're limiting the courses even lower, right? There's a limited amount of people who can join. At the same time, depending on the level of mentorship that you want, we have prices going all the way up from 1450 to the highest tiers over here that you can see. Again, if you're looking to take your journey to that next level, on these middle tiers, this is personally the one that I would recommend, even though it's not the most expensive. It costs less than a coffee every single day, and the amount of information that you'll get here, in my personal opinion, is absolutely worth the value. At the very least, guys, you can become a member for free. The link is down in the description, the comment section, and the bio. Just give it a look and see what you think. And of course, feel free to sign up if you're looking to take your journey even further. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the video.